Hi everyone. For this activity, I want you to really think about the types of questions that you can ask to find out what is in the box. The first thing you need to do is to look at the box. So here's an example of a box. However, this one says something. The big box. So if it says the big box, what do you think could be inside it? Something big, something small. The next box says something else. It says moving. So what do you think could be inside this box? What are the types of questions that you need to ask? And you need to use your eyes. This is a high box, so a deep box. So what do you think could be in there? And the clues, it's a moving box. So someone who has moved from one house to another house might know. This one says fragile. Well, it's nearly the same size as this one, but it says fragile. And fragile means handle carefully because what's in it could break, could be damaged. And now we've got a little box that says fragile. So what could be something big that's fragile? Something small that's fragile. Maybe in the box could be an adult that's fragile. Could be a little chihuahua in a kit. You never know. What about a box of chocolates? This one's open so you can see it. What about this one's an easy one because the clue's on the box. We've got a Christmas tree and it says Merry Christmas. So we can probably guess that something in the box is to do with Christmas. Could it be about you're getting a new bike for Christmas? Is that thing there? No. What about pretty little boxes like this? Now, they don't look like they would carry anything very heavy, do they? So this could be something, I'm not going to tell you. What about this box? Plain cardboard box, but it says Italy on it. So that might give you a clue. What about this box? So the clue is this lovely, pretty dress. So it could be something in it for a girl. Maybe a baby. Maybe a baby getting baptized. Maybe a wedding even. And then we have a different shape box. We've got a round box. So what could fit in this box? And we've got the measurements here too. And then we've got heart-shaped boxes, octagonal-shaped boxes. And I think that's all. So what are the things we need to look at? We need to look at the size. We need to look at the shape, the heart shape. We need to look at how high it is. We need to look at what it's made from. This is a very delicate looking box. So I don't think this would hold anything heavy either. And we need to look for clues. Alright, so I showed you the box earlier in the week. Now I want you to come up with a list of questions that will help you to decide what could be in the box. And you bring those questions to school next week, and then I will show you what is in the box when you come to school next week. So, good luck.